Check out inside the cab if you haven't seen it yet. And here's the carburetor that we're taking back to Texas. This is a Zenith, but you got the gearing back there to do it. This is a spare running. Hey, it's Freeman here with the Freeman's Garage extra video for you. I'm actually right in the middle of filming two different videos for you that are on the Freeman's Garage channel, the regular Freeman's Garage channel. One involving my 1952 International Harvester L120 heavy duty pickup truck with dump bed. It's got a hydraulic hoist, full floating rear axle, the whole nine thing, 220 cubic inch silver diamond. And the other video is my 1948 Chevrolet 1.5 ton truck, which has a hoist as well. So I'm just going to show you a little bit about what's going on behind the scenes here. So on my 220 cubic inch silver diamond, in the video that I was just filming for you, turns out we got some carburetor issues. Videos and the regular Freeman's Garage channel, it's all linked down in the video description, so go down there after this video, watch all that so you don't miss out. But the carburetor is off. It's giving me some issues, so we're going to go through it. But we are up at the North Dakota Freeman's Garage location right now, and we're out of time for this visit. We got to head back down to the Tejas location, so I've squirrel proofed that for well, for the time being. And here's the carburetor that we're taking back to Texas. This is a Zenith, and the model is 7028, I believe. It's kind of dark in here, so it's kind of hard to read that. And there are some lone wolves out there that do make kits for this, so that's how we're gonna, well, everything's linked down in the video description. Some videos are, depending on when you see this video, some of these future videos are already done, some are not. Just check the description. But this needs to be gone through. It will be done down in Texas. I got to get all this stuff cleaned up, get the hood back on, get this truck. I'm going to pull it outside. I pulled it in to film the video with it, but now it's got to go back out. That way I leave things in good order for when I come back up here and work on the vehicles up here at this location some more. Check out inside the cab if you haven't seen it yet. Note the heavy duty step. This is a big heavy truck. Look how cool this thing is. Got a fan. Yeah, that's about it. Got a fan. I can't wait to drive this thing. It's going to be a lot of fun. I think that's P00 poop from something kind of big, and I haven't been in here for a while. Let's see if it's just as I remembered it. Yep. We'll just close that up. Yeah, there's some cleaning up to do inside and outside of this truck, but that's summer projects. It's still winter here. So what else could I show you with this truck? Actually, you want to take a look at the status of the 48 Chevy 1.5 ton. It's not the one that I was talking about making a video on. It's a different one tucked back here. Keep your eyes peeled for a Freeman's Garage extra cabinet install video, because I'm taking these cabinets down to the Texas location and we'll be installing them in the garage there. But here's the green 48 1.5 ton. Oh, actually, excuse me, this is a 2 ton. How silly of me. I'm sorry for disrespecting your manhood like that, calling you a 1.5 ton. Now, something that's neat about these 1948 Chevrolet big trucks, these 1.5 and 2 ton trucks, is that the 1.5 tons came with the 216 cubic inch straight six, which is the same engine that came in the light duty pickup trucks of that year. But the 2 tons, they came with the 235 cubic inch straight six, the big boy. And what's interesting about it is whether you have the 216 or the 235, you can haul a lot of weight, and I mean a lot of weight. But either engine, you're doing it at 25 miles an hour, but you got the gearing back there to do it. I guess we could take a quick peek in this cab in case you haven't seen it before. And there is actually videos with this exact truck right here on the regular Freeman's Garage channel and right here on the Freeman's Garage Extra channel. In fact, there's a video where we engage the PTO and grab this right here, and we raise this bed all the way up. Oh, that's ice. That's ice falling on top of the building. But you see that big old axle? That's where all your gearing is. And here's all your hoist is buried back in there, and your PTO and your PTO drive shaft, and the lens just got blurry on you. But yeah, this is an actual work truck that is in service, fully functional. Let's go back here. I want to show you something real quick as we walk down the big old grain box. This right here, this is a Chevy 350. It's a TBI out of an 89, I believe, Chevy pickup truck. And we can always get rid of that highfalutin fancy stuff and, you know, put a carburetor on it. But this is a spare running 350 cubic inch Chevrolet V8 small block just sitting here in the inventory. And there is the transmission and transfer case that was bolted to it from the factory. There's a lot of other vehicles stashed in here that are not for your eyes yet. Maybe in some videos you've seen a sneak peek of some stuff in the background, but it's all coming up in future videos / episodes. But I just wanted to show you what I was up to up here at the North Dakota location. And I gotta clean this stuff up and continue making videos for you. And soon I'm gonna be back down at the Texas location and filming more videos down there for you as well. Gotta get back on that 56 Chevy 210 Club Coupe, because that car's gonna be sweet. And thanks for liking, watching, hitting the arrow button to share all these videos. It helps the channel grow. And I'm going to send you to a video. It's on your screen right now. You might want to watch that one next. But yeah, go in the description and there's a bunch of other stuff linked too. All right, thanks. See ya.